Welcome to Samoter 2026 here in Verona. Today we're here on the digitalization booth on the Komatsu stand. And here we're looking to the PC170 LC-11, and this machine is equipped with Smart Construction 3DMG. Now 3DMG is a in-house developed 2D and 3D machine guidance solution that is very versatile. It supports two-piece boom, it can support tilt buckets, it can support tilt rotators. Whatever job you're needed for, this technology can cope with it. So we are now in the cabin of the PC170 LC-11. What we have done with this machine is we have put a number of hardware sensors, and these hardware sensors are relating information to the tablet. What the tablet offers to the operator is that it drastically increases his productivity, increases his precision, but moreover it also increases drastically safety. Thanks to this technology, there's no need to have additional people working around the machine. Safety being a top priority for Komatsu and for our customers, this is one of the key reasons why we developed Komatsu 3DMG. So while we're showing 3DMG here on a PC170 machine, this system is very versatile and can be fitted on any type of crawler and/or wheeled excavator.